Hare Krishna Guruji, is it easy to control our senses in this material world?
Thank you for asking this question. Again, the same answer, because Krishna is saying that Sraddhavan labate jnanam tatparaga samyate indriyaga. Samyate indriyaga. Samya means controlling. Indriya means senses. Samyate indriyaga means controlling. They can, te means they. So who gets the knowledge? Samyate indriyaga. They can control this knowledge of, they can control the senses by getting this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. So that way, simply by getting this, it's very difficult. Of course, it's very difficult to control the senses, very difficult to control the mind. There is no doubt about it, because Arjuna himself told Krishna that Chanchalam hi mana Krishna pramadi balabhadridam tasyagam nigraham manye vayoriva suduskam. Because when Krishna told Arjuna in the 32 slokas in the 6th chapter about how to control the mind, then Arjuna in the sloka number 33 simply told Krishna, Yoyam yogastvaya proktaha samyena madhusudana etasyagam napasyami chanchalatva stitim stiran. So Arjuna, whatever yoga you just now mentioned, I don't think I can do it. Etasyagam napasyami. I don't think I can control my mind. I can control my senses, mind. Because mind is restless, turbulent, obstinate, and very strong. I can even control the wind. I can even control the hurricane. So at that time, Arjuna, Krishna also agreed. There is no doubt. It is difficult to control the restless mind. So asamsaya mahabhago manodur nigraham chalam. But it is possible by constant practice with determination. So abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. So constant practice with detachment. So it is possible. That's what Krishna told. So now for us, Krishna, that's what the first sloka which I quoted. If we get this knowledge, then we will be able to control our mind, control our senses. So one thing is that what is needed is we need to develop love towards Krishna. That is the main thing. So artificially, it is very difficult to control the mind. It's very, very difficult. We cannot, by force, we cannot control our mind. We cannot control our senses by force. We may try controlling, it may look possible, but it doesn't work. Visaya vinivartante niraharasya deginaga. Niraharasya, by not feeding. That's why niraharasya deginaga. Visaya vinivartante. Visaya means the sense objects. By not giving the sense objects, one can restrain oneself by force. But that doesn't work, because rasavarjam rasopyasya. Because the taste for that remains in the mind. So that's why param drishva nivartade. By experiencing a higher taste, you will give up the lower taste. So that is Krishna consciousness. When we get this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, we understand that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and we'll fall in love with Krishna, and we do everything for Krishna. So at that point of time, it will become very easy for us to control the senses and mind. So that's why we need to offer our mind, senses, intelligence, everything unto Krishna. We need to focus our mind on Krishna. We need to fix our intelligence on Krishna. So that's why Krishna is saying that, Mayeva mana adatsva mayi buddhim nivesayagam. So you fix your mind upon me, focus your intelligence upon me. So mayarpita mano buddhi, you offer your mind and intelligence unto me. So if you're able to do all those things, when that is going to be possible? When we love Krishna, when we develop that loving relationship with Krishna. So then it is possible for us to control the senses and mind. Hare Krishna.